A 2019 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter. You're going to go over to your glove box. You're going to disconnect this damper that's right here on the side. All you're going to do is just pull on it, disconnect it, and you're going to have these knobs in the glove box. You're going to turn them counterclockwise, and they'll just come right out. I have one on this side here. Alright, then the glove box will come down, and your filter's located in here. Squeeze these tabs, release tabs right here, and here's your cabin filter. Go ahead and pull it out. And this one has low miles, so it shouldn't be too dirty. This one looks okay. Probably change it in about 2 more oil changes. If you need one of these, there's a link down in the description box where you get one. Get your new one. Stick it on in there. Door just goes back on. Okay, it just clicks right back on there. It's in there all the way. There you go. And just come back over here and reconnect the damper. And then grab your little knobs. And it's that simple.